Hello everyone, my name is SHAMIER, and for this video I'll be explaining about the relations to Broca aphasia and its speech function. Okay, firstly, let's look at Broca's area. Broca's area is located in the frontal lobe of the left hemisphere of the brain, specifically in the posterior part of the inferior frontal varus. This area often is called the speech production center because it plays a vital role in how we form and express words. In addition, Broca's area works closely with Wernicke's area, which handles language understanding, and both are connected through a nerve pathway called the atrial fasciitis. Together, they form the brain's main language network, allowing us to speak and understand smoothly. Next, let's talk about the functions of Broca's area. This area is responsible for producing and organizing speech, and also for controlling the muscle movements of the mouth, tongue, and lips needed to speak clearly. Moreover, Broca's area helps us from grammatically correct sentences and choose the right words when we talk or write. It also plays a part in language planning. That means it helps the brain prepare what we want to say before we actually speak. Therefore, Broca's area is not only about pronunciation, but also about language structure, fluency, and articulation. Now, what happens if Broca's area is damaged? When this area is injured, often due to a stroke, brain injury, or tumor, a person may develop a condition known as Broca's aphasia or expressive aphasia. In this condition, the person usually understands language well, but struggles to speak fluently. The speech becomes slow, effortful, and broken, and they often find it difficult to form complete sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I want to drink water," a person might only say, "drink water." However, their understanding of what others say remains mostly intact, and they are often aware of their difficulty, which can lead to frustration. As a result, speech therapy becomes very important to help them relearn and practice communication skills. And finally, let's look at the speech characteristics of Broca's aphasia. People with this condition usually speak in short and incomplete phrases, leaving out small connecting words like is, der, or and. For instance, instead of saying she is going to school, they might say she go school. In addition, their speech sounds flat, monotone, or strained because of difficulty controlling the mouth and tongue muscles. Even though they know what they want to say, it takes a lot of effort to produce each word. Interestingly, their writing ability often mirrors their speech, short and fragmented sentences. Therefore, Broca's aphasia mainly affects the expressive side of language rather than comprehension. With proper therapy and practice, however, many patients can improve their fluency over time. In conclusion, Broca's area plays a central role in how humans produce and organize speech. When it is damaged, communication becomes difficult even though understanding remains strong. Through consistent therapy, practice, and brain recovery, many people with Broca's aphasia can learn to express themselves again, proving how amazing the human brain truly is. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.